It is 4th of July weekend. What are you going to make? I am making fish tacos. I have here some delicious wild-caught cod. A couple of these on there. I got some fresh red onion. I got some fresh lettuce. I got some fresh right out of the garden basil. We got some fresh tomatoes. And we have here a cilantro, lime, and garlic seasoning. Put that right on there, guys, and this is a taco. Cheers, everyone. So good. All right, everyone. So the very first thing we want to do is, you can see, we're heating up our Blackstone. Got a little bit of oil on there. And you want to get this nice and hot because you're going to sear the fish. So we'll go ahead and close this. It's getting nice and hot. Alrighty, folks. So our choice of fish today is going to be wild-caught cod fillets. Now, these look absolutely fantastic, and they make perfect tacos. Go ahead and pull this out. To prep these is very easy. Very first thing you want to do is you want to dry them off. I want to get them as nice and dry as possible. Now, these are not frozen. These are fresh, straight from the market. I got these at my local Walmart. Wild-caught fresh cod. Now, these are going to make several tacos, and I got some friends coming over, so I want to take a little bit of olive oil. I just want to sprinkle over top of them a little bit of olive oil. This is some good stuff, Nader. This is called cilantro, lime, with salt and pepper and garlic. I'm telling you, this stuff has everything in it. It's got a little bit of heat. It's got a little bit of sweet. Really, really good. Put that right over top of it. Give it a good coating. Flip them and repeat. Now, again, if you want to, you can go ahead and get that blackening seasoning and make some blackened cod. Oh, that's really good too. But for this with the tacos, I think this is going to be great. All right, now we got this prepped on over here. I'll take you over here to the Blackstone, and we'll show you how we cook them. All righty, our flat top is come up to temperature. I'm going to add a little bit more oil to it, and then you're going to turn the heat down all the way to low. We're going to take our cod fillets. Wait for it. Here comes the sizzle. Yeah, baby. There's the sizzle. All right, these are going to cook for 3 minutes on each side. By the way, one very important key tip whenever you're cooking fish, after you let it sit on there for a minute on the hot stove, you want to get under it and you just want to move it a little bit. And that's going to help keep it from sticking. First side is done. And it's already starting to flake apart, which is exactly what you're looking for. You want them to flake apart. These are the best flaky tacos you can ever have. All right. Flip that bad boy right over. All right, so for the taco seasoning, I have some fresh basil here. And chop them up. I think basil on fish, especially on tacos, is delicious. Especially when it's fresh right out of your garden. What do you think, Mom? I think it makes it much better taste. Absolutely. See that? Mom approves. Basil helps with the stomach. Yeah, it does. It helps with the stomach. It helps with everything. Basil is very good for you. It's one of those natural superfoods. Guys should be eating more basil. So, guys, tell me, what are you all doing for 4th of July? Leave a comment down below what you're doing for 4th of July. This is what I'm doing. Making tacos for me and my friends, and my family. All right, got the basil, lettuce. We're just going to go ahead and chop it. Real thin slices of red onion. And there's our onions right there. I also have some tomatoes I kept in the refrigerator because I like that my tomatoes nice and cold. All right, guys, for our tomatoes today, we have some grape tomatoes. These are delicious, especially going on a salad. And all we're going to do, slice them in half. All right, so let's put this together, guys. Let's take some of this fish. First off, just look at how I mean, the fish is just falling apart. It's a little warm, but this fish is just falling apart, flaky. But oh, I mean, wow, so good. All right, we'll put this together. Take a couple pieces of fish, a little bit of lettuce, a little bit of onion, a little bit of basil, a couple of tomatoes, cilantro, lime, and garlic. Guys, this stuff is really, really good. We're just going to put a little dab. We're going to have a taste test and see how we did. Cheers, everyone. Winner, winner, fish for dinner. Guys, this is so good and so refreshing. Great for a 4th of July cookout. Quick and easy. Grab a couple of fish, 5 minutes, and you got yourself a great, great little dinner. Feed the whole family, feed all your friends. And do me a favor, till next time, God bless and happy eats.